Hello friends, welcome to Consistent Trader. In this video, I have selected 4 stocks to trade for tomorrow. And now what we are going to do is we are going to mark levels for these stocks so that we can trade it tomorrow. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. To learn more, please like our videos, share it with your friends. So come, let's get into the video. First, what we are going to do is top down analysis. What is a top down analysis? It's nothing but marking levels from higher to lower time frames. We will mark levels on the daily time frame, and then we will mark it on hourly time frame, and then on the 15 minutes time frame, but we are going to trade on 5 minutes time frame since it's an intraday. The levels which you draw on the 1 day time frame will be respected by the level you draw even on the 15 minutes time frame. This is the beauty of price action. Price action is same in all the time frames, but higher the time frame, better the price action will be. Come, let's mark some levels, and I will mark the 1 day time frame lines in blue color. This is the higher high, so I will mark a level on the higher high, and I could see a level over here. You can see 1 2 3 4. This level is a resistance for these and these points. This is another level. You can see this is a support. Here took a support. Here it is a resistance. Here also took a resistance, and here it took a support. So this is also a important level. 2035, 2243 and 2430. These are the levels which I have drawn on the daily time frame. Now I am going into hourly time frame. Let me change the color. Now I'll change the color to purple maybe. So on hourly time frame, I could see a level over here, and I could also see a level over here. What I can see. Now I'll change the time frame to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, I'll change the color to some violet, lighter color. So here I could see a support. You can clearly see that the level we have marked on the daily time frame is, you can clearly see it took a resistance over here. Yesterday it took a resistance over here, dropped down. So the levels which you mark on the daily time frame will also work on 5 minutes time frame also. This is also a level. This is not a level, this is a gap down. So we also need to mark the gap down. Many of the times the gap may get filled, so we need to mark the gap levels. Now we can turn on 5 minutes time frame and check if there is any levels on 5 minutes time frame or any patterns. I can draw a trend line over here on the 5 minutes time frame. I could clearly draw a trend line. You can see this is also a triangle pattern. You can see here, right? This is kind of a triangle pattern. So these were the levels that we are going to look into Reliance stock tomorrow. If you want, you can note it down. Now the next stock is ITC. First we will come from the daily time frame. We will mark level on the daily time frame. For daily time frame, we will use blue color. So here I could see a level. You can see there is a tough resistance over here, and there is a good support over here, and you can also mark this. Can also mark this level. This level is also a good level. We can see one, two, three times the price got rejected from this level. Now we are going to change into the hourly time frame. For hourly time frame, we will mark it on some purple or violet. I could see a support over this point. This point the stock took support many times, and this is also a good level. Now let us change the time to 15 minutes, and we will mark the levels in lighter color. In 15 minutes I could see a level over here. You can clearly see this level. I could draw a level over here, and that's all we can do. Now let us check in the 5 minutes time frame. You can see the 5 minutes time frame, these levels are getting respected. Let me check any patterns or trend lines. Let me see if I could draw any trend line here. You can see some rejections over here. So these were the levels that we are going to check. Here also it's a support, there is a support here. So these were the levels that we are going to check. Yesterday you can see when the bottom of this level triangle pattern broken, the stock went till the next level, which is over here, and then here it took a support and traveled till this level, and it got a rejection. You can see there is a rejection over here. So the price action works perfectly on all the time frames. We will be teaching this price action concept very soon on our channel for free. So don't worry, you will learn this also. The next stock which I was planning was Vedanta Limited. Now let's draw some lines on Vedanta Limited too. Purple, sorry, blue color. Here I could see a level, and this is the high. Let me mark the high, and so these were the levels that I could see on daily time frame. Now let me change it to a hourly time frame in Vedanta. In Vedanta there was a huge drop today. You can see there is a huge gap down. So we need to mark the gap. We change the color. Most of the time the gap will get filled within a day or two. So it's essential that you keep a track of the gaps. You can clearly see we have marked the gap, and some, if I could find some levels here, I can find a level. So now let me change it to 15 minutes time frame. Since it's a gap down, I could not find any useful levels over here. So I'll draw it. Here there's a level. You can see this was a level. These are some of the important levels that we have marked on the Vedanta Limited. Now let's check in 5 minutes time frame. Now let's check in 5 minutes time frame. There is some consolidation here. You can see if the market was bullish tomorrow and if the price manages to break this level, I hope that the stock may shoot up. This is my view. It may also change since stock market no one can be correct 100%. So these are my views and the levels that we are going to look into on 9th of September, tomorrow. Hope you all got some idea from this. Soon we will do a webinar or a video on price action setups. Hope you all like this video. Please support me so that I could make more free contents for you, which you are going to get only if you are paid thousands of rupees to make use of these contents. Thank you guys for watching the video.